Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to highlight a new trading opportunity. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Here are the top 5 crypto stocks listed on the Hong Kong Exchange. Number 5. BC Technology Group. They provide digital asset solutions and technology services to the financial industry. They control OSL, which is a regulated digital asset exchange and brokerage platform for spot and OTC trading and custody solutions. Ticker 863HK. Market cap 710 million Hong Kong dollars. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 0. Number 4. New Huo Technology Holdings. They own the Huobi crypto exchange and manage a digital asset service platform that provides virtual asset management, trust and custody, OTC services, lending and trading. Ticker 1611HK. Market cap 650 million Hong Kong dollars. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 0. Number 3. OKG Technology Holdings. They own the OKEX crypto exchange and manage digital asset-related businesses, including digital asset investments and blockchain technology services. Ticker 1499HK. Market cap 1.6 billion Hong Kong dollars. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 268 times. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Number 2. Samsung Bitcoin Futures Active ETF. It only provides exposure to the value of Bitcoin by investing predominantly in front-month Bitcoin futures on the CME. Ticker 3135HK. Net asset value 32 million Hong Kong dollars. Number 1. CSOP Bitcoin Futures ETF. It only provides exposure to the value of Bitcoin by investing in standardized cash-settled Bitcoin futures contracts and/or micro-Bitcoin futures contracts traded on the CME. Ticker 3066HK. Net asset value 200 million Hong Kong dollars.